Frying eggs is a relatively simple task, but there are a few hacks you can use to improve your results. Whether you're looking for perfectly runny yolks, fluffy egg whites, or new ways to add incredible flavor, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through each hack step by step, sharing insider tips and tricks to help you master the art of frying eggs like a pro. So grab your skillet and let's get cooking. 1. Use a non-stick pan. A non-stick pan is key to making frying eggs easier and more efficient. The slick surface prevents the eggs from sticking, which means you won't have to struggle with flipping the eggs or cleaning up afterward. When using a non-stick pan, remember to still add a small amount of oil or butter to enhance flavor and avoid potential damage to the pan. 2. Butter or oil. A light coating of butter or oil on the pan provides lubrication and adds flavor to the eggs. Butter adds a rich, creamy taste, while oil, such as olive oil or avocado oil, can offer a distinct flavor. The fat also helps create a crispy edge on the egg whites. 3. Crack eggs into a separate bowl. Cracking eggs into a separate bowl before adding them to the pan allows you to check for shells and ensure the eggs are still fresh. It also gives you control over how you add the eggs to the pan, allowing you to cook multiple eggs evenly. 4. Low to medium heat. Cooking eggs over low to medium heat ensures the eggs cook evenly without burning. High heat can quickly cook the whites while leaving the yolks raw or burning the edges. Lower heat gives you more control and better overall results. 5. Use a lid. Placing a lid over the pan while frying eggs traps steam, helping the egg whites cook faster and more evenly. This can also prevent the egg whites from forming any slimy, undercooked spots on top. 6. Add water for steam. By adding a small amount of water, about a tablespoon, to the edge of the pan after cracking the eggs, you create steam. The steam cooks the top of the eggs without having to flip them and can help keep the eggs moist and tender. 7. Seasoning. Seasoning your eggs as they cook is essential for flavor. Add salt and pepper right after cracking the eggs into the pan so the seasoning blends with the egg whites. You can also experiment with different herbs and spices like chives, parsley, or even smoked paprika. 8. Perfecting the yolk. The degree of doneness for the yolk is a personal preference. To achieve a runny yolk, cook the eggs until the whites are set, and then remove them from the pan. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cook the eggs a little longer. 9. Use ring molds. To achieve perfectly round eggs, place a metal ring mold in the pan and crack the egg inside the mold. This confines the egg and keeps it from spreading out too much. Grease the mold before use to prevent sticking. 10. Experiment with flavors. Get creative with your fried eggs by adding different flavors to the butter or oil. For example, infuse your oil with garlic or herbs by heating them in the pan before adding the eggs. A pinch of smoked paprika or cayenne can also add a nice kick. 11. Baste the eggs. Basting involves tilting the pan and using a spoon to pour the hot oil or butter over the egg whites. This helps cook the top of the egg whites without flipping them and keeps them moist and flavorful. 12. Add cheese. For cheesy eggs, wait until the egg whites are nearly set, then sprinkle shredded cheese, such as cheddar, mozzarella, or feta, on top. Cover the pan with a lid to help melt the cheese and finish cooking the eggs. And there you have it, everyone. Those are 12 egg frying hacks that will elevate your breakfast game and make you feel like a pro in the kitchen. Give these tips a try and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, or if you have any egg frying secrets of your own. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more cooking tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!